Hello English learners, today we are going to learn about voice. Voice is very easy and I will try to teach you in very easy form. So let us see the first of all the definition of the voice. Definition of voice. In grammar, the voice of a verb describes the relationship between the action that the verb expresses and the participants identified by its arguments, that means subject, object, etc. When the subject is the doer of the action, the verb is in the active voice. It shows that active voice. And when the subject is the patient or target of the action, when the subject is the patient or the target of the action, the verb is said to be in passive voice. Very easy, huh? Let us see an example. I will show you a simple example. I helped her. Simple sentences here. I helped her. Simple past tense. Okay, huh? I helped her. Here I shows the subject. Helped her. Verb is there. That is active voice in here. And her is the object. Okay. Then in PV, whenever we make in PV, that is passive voice, we show that the subject goes to the object form and object goes to the subject form. Okay. Simple is there. Subject is there. Her put as she. First form she. Now helped in a simple past tense. Okay. Simple past tense. That's why we use here auxiliary verb plus main verb third form. Help's the third form. Helped. So here she was helped. Ed is here. Ed. That's why we use she was helped by me. Here you can see here she object comes here as a subject. Then auxiliary verb plus main verb third form, that is verb was helped. And if there is another verb, put it here. Otherwise by plus the doer, that is eyes come here as me. So this is a very simple form I am trying to teach you. Okay. Now see in its table form I have taught you in tenses. Now you see simple tense, then continuous tense, perfect tense and perfect continuous tense. Okay. So first of all we will see in simple tense. Example, we have taken a main verb, write, wrote, written. Write as main verb first, wrote as a main verb second, written as a main verb three. While making passive voice, we use only third form of main verb, that is third form. Simple tense. Let us see first example. In active voice, I write a letter. Whenever while making passive voice, we as subject, that is a verb, that is a object. Okay. Here object became a subject and subject becomes a object. Here we write as a letter, that object is a auxiliary verb plus main verb third, written is there. A letter is written by me. This is simple present tense. Simple present tense. Then simple past tense. See, I wrote a letter. Wrote is there, simple, and singular is there. That's why a letter was is here. A letter was written by me. And in future tense, we say here, I shall or will write a letter. I shall or will be write a letter. The passive voice will be a letter. Become here a letter. Shall or will plus be written by me. You can use be, otherwise you can remove that be. Doesn't remain. But the answer will be here in simple tense. We have seen here. Now see the continuous tense. Here in active voice, main verb first signage is there. Okay, that is writing. And while making passive voice, we have to put here being. For ing, we have to use a been plus main verb third form. For example, we see here simple continuous present tense. Here, continuous present tense. I am writing a letter. I am writing a letter. Here, a letter, object, and I, interchange of this one. And then am ing is there. Then a letter, we put here a letter is. And become here is, because the letter is being. It is used for ing form, being, and the third form of writing, that is written by me, we use here. Then continuous past tense, I was writing a letter. I was writing a letter. A letter was being written by me. The doer is there with by. And continuous future tense, I shall or will be writing a letter. I shall or will be writing a letter. It will become in passive voice. A letter shall or will be being. We put both here. Will be being written by me. So students, it's very easy form. First of all, just think on this one. Continuous form. If there is ing form is there with main verb first, we have to write this as being plus main verb 3. Now see, to make perfect tense in active passive voice. In perfect tense, we use have. Perfect tense means have. Have, has, had. We have to use here. In active voice, I have written a letter. Present perfect tense, past perfect tense, future perfect tense. In perfect present tense, I have written a letter. I have written a letter. Here, a letter, same. Have written is a verb, subject, object. Okay, interchange. A letter is here. A letter is singular one and third form. That's why we use here has. Third person singular. That's why we use has. A letter has been. Here we have to use been. In perfect tense, while making active passive voice, has been, have been, had been. Okay. Active voice, I have written a letter. Once again, in passive voice, a letter has been written by me. Simple. Past tense, perfect past tense. I had written a letter. Here no change. Okay. A letter had been written by me. Perfect future tense. I will have written a letter. I will have written a letter. Third person singular. A letter will has. Will has. First of all, we use that tense. Future tense. Then we use the making tense. That is perfect tense. I will have written a letter. A letter will has been written by me. So this is a table of perfect tense active to passive voice. Now see, making active passive voice in perfect continuous tense. Here perfect means to have and continuous means main verb plus ing. Simple is there. Just remember the first one continuous tense. There here we use me plus ing. Same is here, but with using to have form. First example, perfect continuous present tense. I have been writing a letter. I have been writing a letter. Same. A letter became here. I become there. Have plus been ing writing. While see here in PV, a letter have become has because third person singular is there. Have become has. A letter has been put same here. Writing. We have to divide this one into forms. Being plus main verb form third. Okay. Being written by me. Second one, perfect continuous past tense. I had been writing a letter. I had been writing a letter. Here same is here. A letter had been being written by me. And third form, that is perfect continuous future tense. I will have been writing a letter. I will have been writing a letter. Same. A letter put here. Will same here put. It shows the tense. Will have become has, third person singular. Third person singular has been being written by me. Simple form is there. Now we will see using some model auxiliaries with this one, making active to passive voice. Model auxiliaries in voice form. Should. Here we have to use should plus be. Example, I should write a letter. Simple. I should write a letter. A letter become here as a subject. I goes there. By plus dual. Same. A letter should, same put here, with B. A letter should be written by B. Same here. Must be used here. Must plus B. I must write a letter. I must write a letter in PV. A letter must be written by me. Third one, may or might. May or might plus B. Same here. Active voice. I may or might write a letter. In passive voice, a letter may or might be written by me. Stop. Now see, can, could. Can or could with the use of be. Same. In active voice, I can or could write a letter. Same. A letter is here. In passive voice, a letter can or could, same put here with be written by me. Next, order type sentence. Order type sentence, here we use let. Okay. In active voice, write a letter. Write a letter. Start with let. Simple is there. Let, then same. A letter put here, then write put there with be. Write a letter. Let a letter be. With the let, we have to use be. Let a letter be written. Request type of 10th one. Active voice, please write a letter. Here we use please. So please for, we have to use request. Please we use for request. Na? So please put here request. Not use the please word SMS here. In passive voice, first of all read once again. Active voice, please write a letter. Same letter will become first with the use of you. Why? This request is here. In passive voice, you are requested. Put the word here because no one is here. Someone will be there, na? So we use it. You are requested. You are requested to write a letter. Some different is there, but make it sure that same form is there. Please write a letter. Please write a letter. You are requested because who is there? We don't know. So you are requested. RY present tense. You are requested. Third form. It is there. We are requested to write a letter. To write a letter. Then interrogative type of sentences. Active voice here. How did you write the letter? How did you write the letter? The form should be kept same. Do not change into simple sentence or in a declarative sentence. No. The question mark should be there. That's why interrogative may be interrogative itself. Active voice. How did you write the letter? How did you write the letter? The question starts with same because question mark is there. How did use for was. Past tense is there. How was the letter? Okay. The letter written. Third form we use a return by you. Use there. The doer. Doer we put here. Doer. Okay. Next, while is standard rule is there in the interrogation sentence while making active passive voice. Where is the who? Make whom. Who? Whom. Active voice. Example. Who wrote the letter? Who wrote the letter? Here we use by whom. For who we use by whom. Write down this one. Whom, by whom, was, right? Past tense, wrote is there. So was is here. By whom was the letter written? By whom was the letter written? So here we guys we have learned about voice. I have taught you in details, but we have to make some examples with yourself for practice. Then you will be in finite one. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this. Have a great day.